Hello everybody! Joins the company Rosovoron Expert welcomes you at Joins the company Rязань radio plant. The enterprise develops tactical radio communications and mobile communication centers for various power agencies of the Russian Federation, including command vehicles and communication equipment vehicles. Today we would like to present probably the most interesting product manufactured by the radio plant at the present time, and it is the P-144MSN integrated communication equipment vehicle. In Russian it is called KAMAZ. The KAMAZ is designed to provide communication during special operations and can be used as part of field communication centers of units and formations. Currently, the P-144MSN is available in two main versions, with the index 04 is based on the chassis of a KAMAZ 5350 vehicle right here, and the version 05 is based on the patrol armored vehicle. Both vehicles are almost identical in terms of the equipment they incorporate and the tasks they solve. The 04 version has interesting composition. The body van is divided into three compartments. The front compartment is equipped with communications means and data encryption equipment and has two workstations of the crew. The rear part of the body has a small loom that incorporates means of channel formation, including radio relay systems and satellite communication station. To the left is an isolated compartment for an official that is equipped with all the necessary terminals for open line and secure communication, as well as a video conferencing kit. Original design solutions and comfortable conditions for the crew are key advantages of this version of the P-144MSN. The armored version of the integrated communication equipment vehicle is a hot topic of the day. It can be used directly in areas of special or military operations. In terms of its composition and functionality, it differs little from the version of the chassis of a KAMAZ vehicle. The patrol armored vehicle was chosen as the transport base for the system. This chassis has been time and combat tested. It has undergone numerous improvements and upgrades, combines in the best degree high cross-country ability, speed and armor protection. The patrol vehicle is in service with almost all power structures of Russia and is exported to third countries. The total weight of the system is 13.5 tons. V-shaped 8-cylinder, 260 horsepower turbocharged engine ensures maximum speed on paved roads of up to 100 km per hour. The cruising range without refueling is at least 1,000 kilometers, ground clearance is 380 millimeters, and the internal volume of the vehicle is 12.5 cubic meters. The cabin has everything needed to maintain communication on the move. Comfortable shock-absorbing seats reduce compression loads when driving over rough terrain. A sufficiently voluminous glass partition between the compartments unites the personnel located in the rear compartment and in the cabin. The vehicle has additional equipment, NBC protection system, 2 heaters and an air conditioner. On top of the cabin there are 2 rotating spotlights which are operated using remote controls, which can be used from the inside or by the dismounts that significantly eases operation in nighttime. The patrol armor provides protection for the crew and equipment from small arms and fragments. It corresponds to NATO's TANEC 4569 Level 2. The P-144MSN chassis does not have special mine protection, but it is capable of withstanding an explosion under the wheel of an explosive device weighing up to 2 kilos of TNT and up to 600 grams under the bottom. Input panels on both sides are covered with special armored lids. The vehicle also has 4 portholes with armored covers that enable the crew to use their individual firearms. 2 in the rear doors and 2 in the side windows, 1 on each side. The very name Integrated Communications Equipment Vehicle implies the implementation of one of the key principles of military communications, integrated use of various communication means. The P-144MSN includes more than 40 different means of communication and terminal devices, apart from antenna feeder and cable equipment. A standard set of HF and VHF tactical radio communications equipment is installed in the communication equipment vehicle, similar in composition to other products of the Rязань radio plant, namely R142NSAR command vehicle. These radio systems provide secure telephone communication and data transfer on halts and on the move. The communication range in the HF band is up to 350 km at parking and up to 50 km in motion. In the VHF range, the communication range is respectively up to 40 km at halts and up to 15 to 20 km on the move. Additionally, the ICA100 small-sized onboard VHF radio station is installed. It is convenient and simple. It incorporates a programming device. It can be used for communication on the march, but its frequency band, 118 to 137 MHz, allows for communication with aircraft and helicopters. With an output power of 10 watt, it provides communication over a distance of at least 20 kilometers. The communication range with aerial vehicles increases and is determined by the line of sight limits. The channel formation means are represented by 2 satellite communication stations, radio relay stations, multiplexer equipment, InfraLink radio bridges and an LTE modem. The satellite station is installed directly in the compartment and includes a 12-watt transmitter, a satellite modem and a mobile rotating platform with a satellite dish antenna which is mounted on top of the body of an armored vehicle. The mobile platform of the antenna moves in both planes and is operated from the workstation of a code CW operator. 2 half sets of MIK-RL400R radio relay system make it possible to organize communication on long or partially closed routes, in hard-to-reach areas or in uncontrollable areas in the shortest possible time and at minimal cost. Ease of operation, small dimensions and weight are the main advantages of these stations. An external unit with a transceiver is installed in close proximity to the antenna, eliminating signal losses. And the access module is located in the rear compartment. Network equipment is the largest group of communications equipment. Switches, routers, gateways and various terminal equipment make it possible to deploy secure local networks of automated workstations, as well as subscriber networks of open and secure telephone communications in the area of operation. Though the P-144MSN is literally crammed with various means of communication, it is distinguished by effective layout solutions in terms of locating end-terminal devices, monitors and video telephony means. The rear compartment has 2 workstations with personal computers of Aquarius SMP type and display modules. They are not intended for commanders and officials, but for the crew members. Almost all switching procedures and configuration of all equipment is done via these workstations. Connections are established automatically and there is no need of meters of cords and cables. If communication is interrupted, an emergency light and acoustic alarm is activated, which attracts attention of the operator. The display screen displays data about malfunctions of the equipment or communication channels. The P-144MSN vehicle boasts several competitive advantages. Among them are the armored transport base, which guarantees protection of equipment and crew from small arms and shell fragments. A high degree of automation. The connection between subscribers is automatically established within 1 to 2 seconds. Packet switching technology is supported in the dynamic routing mode, which significantly increases efficiency and reliability of communication. The vehicle operates both with analog means of the previous generations and with modern digital communication systems that support channel switching and packet data transmission technologies. To learn more about the communication systems of the Russian productions, please visit our official website. You can find the link to the catalog in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and like this video, and leave your comments.